Mrs. Johnston. For our lesson today, we are going to practice reading phrases and doing the movement. So I'm going to write the first phrase, tongue twister, and then let's practice reading it. Here is our first phrase. There are decodable words and tricky words in our phrase. Let's practice. L, I, T, lift. This is a tricky word, so we should know it just by looking at it. One. And let's work on the third word. And hand. Let's reread it all together. Lift one hand. Now let's do that movement. Lift one hand. I will erase and let's work on our second phrase. Our next phrase is just one word. Let's sound it out. S, qua, I, nt. Squint, squint. Our word is squint. Let's do that. Squint. So barely you can just see out of your eyes. That is squint. All right, I'm going to erase and let's practice our next phrase. All right, let's practice this phrase. Let's sound it out. N-ad, nod. Yes, yes. Let's read it together. Nod, yes. Let's do that movement. Nod, yes. All right, this phrase has two words. Let's practice. St and stand. Still, still. Let's put them together. Stand still. So let's do that. Let's stand still. Great job. This phrase has one word. Let's sound it out. B-a-z, buzz. Let's make that noise. Buzz, buzz. By adding a movement to our phrases, sometimes it helps us remember them better. All right, let's sound out this phrase, which has two words. App, clap, and hands. Let's put them together. Clap, hands. So let's do that movement. Clap, hands. All right, let's read this phrase, which is also two words. App, tap, in, chin. Tap, chin. Let's do that. Tap, chin. All right, this phrase has four words. Let's practice. Ing, sing. Tricky word to. Tricky word a. Al, pal. Let's put that phrase together. Sing to a pal. Let's sing to each other. Fa la 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 la. Did you pick a different song to sing? It's okay. So before we begin this phrase, let's look at this punctuation mark at the end. This is called an exclamation point. So this phrase we are going to say with excitement, or we're going to change the tone of our voice. But first we have to figure out the phrase. We have two decodable words and we have two tricky words. Yell, yell, the word, no. Actually, word was also one of our tricky words. So let's put the phrase together. Yell the word no. Did you make sure to say it louder or change the tone of your voice? Our phrase was yell the word no. Let's try it one more time. Yell the word no. And we are on our last word or phrase. Hiss. Let's do that movement. Did you hiss at Mrs. Johnston? We almost sound like a bunch of snakes now, don't we? That's the sound that they make. Our word was hiss. If you had difficulty with any of these phrases, replay the video. You could also get out your dry erase board and practice writing them. You could pause while you wrote them, then you could point at them, say them, and practice the movement again.